Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss about the next lecture, question number 2 of exercise 1.2 from the book of 9th class, new course PTV. Question number 2, simplify the following questions according to the laws of exponent or indices. Student, in question number 2, the first part is 81 divided by 16, the whole power is minus 3 by 4. And according to this property, if the power of any number is in negative, so take the reciprocal. According to this property, minus 3 by 4 becomes a plus 3 by 4 and take the reciprocal of term 81 divided by 16 becomes 16 over 81. Take the reciprocal. Okay. Next, factors. So let's make the factor of all terms. 16 is becomes 2 raised to power 4 and 81 is becomes 3 raised to power 4. And now open the bracket. If bracket is present, then power becomes a multiple. So 2 raised to power 4 multiply with 3 over 4, and in denominator 3 raised to power 4 multiply with 3 by 4. 4 cancel with each other, 4 cancel, and now remaining term 2 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 3, and 2 raised to power 3 becomes 8 and 3 raised to power 3 is become 27. The final result is 8 over 27. Similarly, next student, the second question, this is important question. 3 by 4 raised to power minus 2 divided by 4 over 9 raised to power 3 multiply 16 over 27. Student, in this question, firstly form a factors. 3 by 4, 4 becomes 2 raised to power 2, 4 2 raised to power 2, 9 becomes 3 raised to power 2, 16 becomes 2 raised to power 4, and 27 becomes 3 raised to power 3. And again, according to property, minus 2, power is minus 2, so take the reciprocal. Denominator becomes the numerator and numerator becomes the denominator. So 2 square divided by 3. Okay. And next, in this part, open the bracket. 2 raised to power 2 multiply 2 becomes a 4 and 3 raised to power 2. Divide sign remain as it is. Similarly, 2 raised to power 2 and whole power 3. So 3 multiply 2 becomes 6, and in denominator 3 raised to power 6, and 2 raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power 3 remains same. And now student, this one, see, in this term, in this step, this sign divide change into multiply, so take the reciprocal of next term. When in fraction division is present, so divide change into multiply and take the reciprocal of next term. Okay, all of you know that about this step. And next, simply apply the rule. If two numbers multiply with each other with the same base, then add the powers. So follow this rule. 2 raised to power 4, this one. Next, 2 raised to power 4 plus 4, and in denominator 2 raised to power 6, it becomes a minus. So 4 plus 4 minus 6, and similarly 3 raised to power 6, in denominator 3 raised to power 2, it becomes a minus 2, and in denominator 3 raised to power 3, it becomes also minus. So 4 plus 4, 8 minus 6, it becomes 2 raised to power 2, and 6 minus 2 minus 3 becomes 1. 3 raised to power 1, and 2 raised to power 2 means 4, and 4 multiply 3, it becomes a 12. So finally result of this question is 12. I hope so you understand this question. And then third part of question number 2 is 0.027 raised to power minus 1 over 3. First of all, remove the decimal. So 27 divided by 1000 minus 1 by 3 is in exponent, So apply the rule, power negative, take the reciprocal, 1000 divided by 27 raised to power 1 by 3 and form the factors 10 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. 1 by 3, open the brackets, power multiply with each other, and 10 raised to power 3 multiply 1 by 3. So 3 cancel with each other, and in denominator 3 raised to power 3 multiply 1 by 3, 3 cancel with each other. Finally 10 over 3 is final result. So the fourth part, simple, the radical term. 7th radical of x raised to power 14 multiply y raised to power 21 and z raised to power 35, y 14 and z 7. Firstly, apply the rule, when two numbers divide with the same base, so subtract their exponents. So x raised to power 14 as it is, y in numerator and denominator, so divide y raised to power 21 minus 14, and similarly z raised to power 35 minus 7. Now convert and simplify the radical sign into exponential. X raised to power 14 as it is, y raised to power 21 minus 14 is becomes the 7, and z raised to power 35 minus 7 becomes the 28. And exponential form, this index 7 is becomes 1 over 7, power as an exponent. So multiply 1 over 7 to each number in brackets. So x raised to power 14 multiply 1 by 7, y raised to power 7 multiply 1 by 7, and z raised to power 28 multiply 1 by 7. So 7 cancel with 14, so result x square. 7 cancel with, so result is y, and 7 cancel with 28, result 4, so z raised to power 4. So this is the final result, x square y and z4. And the next part 5 is, so this is the long question, important long question, similar to previous question. Question number 2, second part, take the factors and then apply the laws. So firstly, 5 multiply 25 raised to power n plus 1 minus 25 5 raised to power 2n divided by 5 into 5 raised to power 2n plus 3 minus 25 raised to power n plus 1. So first of all, take the factors. 25 becomes a 5 square, 25 5 square, and in denominator 25 becomes a 5 square. And the next step is open the brackets, first 5 as it is and then 5 square n plus 1. This 2 multiply with n plus 1, it becomes a 2n plus 2. And similarly next 5 square as it is, 5 raised to power 2n as it is, in denominator 5 raised to power 2n plus 3, and next last term 2 multiply n plus 1 becomes a 2n plus 2. So students, this is the simple factors and exponential laws के according. So see student, next one, this 5 raised to power in numerator all terms 5 as it is, 5 raised to power 2n plus 2, and next term 5 raised to power 2 and 2n plus each other because both numbers are multiply, so 5 raised to power 2n plus 2, and denominator 5 as it is, and next 5 raised to power 2n plus 3. Student, 3 split into 2 plus 1, so separate 2n plus 2 separate, and 1 5 factor is separate, and minus 2n plus 2 as it is. So student, take the common, see 5 raised to power 2n plus 2, 5 raised to power 2n plus 2, 5 raised to power 2n plus 2, 5 raised to power 5 2n plus 2. All factors are same, take the common in numerator and from denominator. So cancel with each other, and remaining is 5, this one, minus after taking the common this factor 1 is left. Similarly in denominator 5 and 5 becomes a 5 square after taking common minus 1. So These factors so cancel with each other and remaining is 5 minus 1 is 4 and 5 square means 25 minus 1, it becomes a 24. 4 over 24 cancel with each other and result is 1 divided by 6. And similarly the next part, 16 raised to power x plus 1 plus 24 raised to power 2x divided by 2 raised to power x minus 9 and 8 raised to power x plus 2. First and all, find the factors of each term. 16 becomes 2 raised to power 4, 20 becomes 5 multiply 2 raised to power 2 and 4 becomes 2 raised to power 2 and in denominator 8 it becomes 2 raised to power 3. And next step, similarly to previous question, open the bracket, powers multiply each other, so becomes 2 raised to power 4x plus 4 and 5 2 square as it is and 2 raised to power 4x and in denominator 2 raised to power 3 x plus 2 becomes 2 raised to power 3x plus 6. And now terms are multiplied with the same base, so power combined with each other. First term remains same, 2 raised to power 4x plus 4 plus 5 as it is and 2 raised to power 4x plus 2. Okay student, 4x and 2. And in denominators all are 2, so power combine 2 raised to power x minus 3 plus 3x plus 6. After simplification, result is 2 raised to power 4x plus 4 plus 5 into 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 and in denominator 2 raised to power x plus 3x becomes 4x minus 3 plus 6. 6 minus 3 becomes a plus 3. Okay. Student, next, according to fifth part, split 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 and 2 raised to power 2 separate with each other and 5 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 and in denominator 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 separate and 2 raised to power 1 separate. Okay. So this technique is applied only for taking as a common factor. See, 2 raised to power 4x plus 2, 4x plus 2, 4x plus 2. So in numerator take the common 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 and in denominator 2 raised to power 4x plus 2 as it is, so same factor cancel with each other and remainings are in bracket 2 raised to power 2 plus 5 and divided by 2. So 2 raised to power 2 becomes a 4, 4 plus 5 over 2 it becomes a 9 over 2. Okay, so I hope you understand these important and long questions with a different techniques, apply the laws of exponent or indices. The next part, 64 raised to power minus 2 by 3 divided by 9 raised to power minus 3 by 2. Students, divide means fraction, so take the first one, power minus, apply the identity, take the reciprocal due to negative sign in exponent, it becomes a positive and take the reciprocal. 9 in denominator, so move in numerator, similarly 64 in denominator. So take the factor, 9 is 3 square and 64 means 4 raised to power 3. Open the bracket, power cancel with each other, 2 2 and 3 3, remaining is 3 raised to power 3 and 4 raised to power 2. 3 cubes 27 and 4 square is 16. So this is finally result 27 over 16. So student, next the eighth part is 3 raised to power n, 9 raised to power n plus 1 and in denominator 3 raised to power n minus 1, 9 raised to power n minus 1. Same student, firstly apply the factor rules, 9 becomes a 3 square and open the brackets, 3 raised to power 2n plus 2 and 3 raised to power 2n minus 2. So all bases are same, so multiply bases, so power combine 3 raised to power n plus 2n plus 2 and in denominator is also combine the power 3 raised to power n minus 1 and 2n minus 2. So n plus 2n becomes a 3n plus 2 and in denominator n plus 2n becomes a 3n minus 3. Now apply the division rule. Powers subtract each other when two numbers divide with the same base. So when move this term from denominator to numerator, the all powers change the sign. 3 raised to power 3n plus 2 minus 3n plus 3. 3n cancel with 3n and plus 2 plus 3 becomes a 5. 3 raised to power 5 is equal to 243. Finally, the last part of question number 2, ninth part, 5 raised to power n plus 3 minus 6, 5 raised to power n plus 1, 9 multiply 5 raised to power n, 4 multiply 5 raised to power n. Students, simply split in numerator 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power 3 minus 6, 5 raised to power n, 5 raised to power 1, and denominator all terms already splits. So take the common from numerator and denominator 5 raised to power n and cancel with each other, and remainings are 5 raised to power 3 minus 6 multiply 5, and in denominator 9 minus 4. 5 raised to power 3 becomes 125 minus 6 5s are 30, 9 minus 4 becomes a 5. 125 minus 30 divided by 5, 95 divided by 5 cancel with each other, and result is 19. So student, this is the second question of exercise 1.2. I hope so you understand the whole lecture, all parts. If you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. If you like this lecture, so please like it and subscribe my channel for upcoming new lectures. Thank you for watching. Take care.